This is the third time I'm trying to record this video and I just can't get it together. So here we are again, a Lego haul. To summarize, I am a beginner Lego investor. I am someone who fell down the Lego rabbit hole and have watched all these Lego investing videos, and I too want to try and dabble into Lego investing. So I have a little haul for you today. Now, when it comes to being a beginner at anything, there is an insecurity level. So I do feel very insecure about the things I purchase, and I know there's going to be those so-called experts out there that will have an opinion saying that the stuff I bought is like trash. Maybe it's true, maybe it's not true, but when it comes to investing, in order for me to learn something, I have to try it for myself. Now, out of all the videos I watch, the consensus seems to be that you want to invest in Lego sets that are recently retired, and it seems like people tend to buy the very large Lego sets. Now, I went against all that advice because I don't think I know enough and I don't have the confidence enough to spend a lot of money investing in very large Lego sets. So what I did is I kind of just purchased the things that I liked and things that I felt I was able to purchase at a discount. So at minimum, I could probably sell them and get my money back. And if anything, they're sets that I like that I would just keep for myself. So with that said, this is the third time I'm filming this video. Let's go ahead and get right into the haul. So the first item that I purchased is this small little Minecraft set. Now, one thing I have already learned is that if you can avoid it, don't purchase your Legos online, because I have noticed that the ones that I purchase online, the box is a little bit damaged. Like there's a crease in the cardboard, there's a bubble on the top because the Legos were essentially smushed in the shipping box. So if you can avoid it, purchase your Legos in person if you can. So, and when it comes to Minecraft, all I know is that I have sold Minecraft action figures, and those have always sold fairly quickly. So I know Minecraft is really popular, so I'm hoping that someone will want this little Minecraft set down the line. Now, the next one is the Speed Champion, the Chevrolet. Now, in hindsight, I know nothing about cars. This is really out of my element, and I kind of just purchased this because it was at a discount. I wanted to get different themes of Legos just to see like what was popular, what sells quicker, what doesn't sell. I wanted to get a good range of themes just to get like a feel for what things are like when it comes to reselling it. So yeah, in hindsight, I know nothing about cars. I don't know if this is considered a popular car or a crappy car, if someone would even want it, who knows. The next set I purchased is the Mandalorian Battle Pack. I purchased this because I know the Mandalorian is very popular. I myself have watched season 1 at least 3 times. I am looking forward to a season 2. I'm looking forward to all the spin-offs that Disney has in store. I just know it's really popular. And I also invested in the brick heads, which is the Mandalorian and the Baby Yoda. This is one that if it doesn't sell for a profit, I will just keep it for myself because I really like this. That's one of the hard things, is that I have these Lego sets that I really like. I know I won't open them, but a part of me thinks to all those people that invest in Legos, like how do they hang on to like these really cool sets and are not tempted to keep them for themselves. The next set that I purchased is this ice cream truck. Now, I mainly purchased this one because when I was watching other people's YouTube videos when it came to Legos, this was brought up a few times. So I decided to just purchase this as well to see if this would do well for me. I guess it's one of those things we're gonna have to wait and see. The next set I purchased is this Harry Potter set. This is one of the smaller sets. This is the herbology class. I thought it was really cool. Out of the little sets that are similar to this one, this was my favorite one. Now, when it comes to Harry Potter sets, from the videos I've been watching, they say that depending on the minifig that's included with the set, that can really drive up the value. And when it comes to Harry Potter, it seems like people really invest in the larger soon to retire sets, and those are incredibly expensive. I was looking at them, they're so beautiful and look so cool, but they're very expensive. When it comes to investing, I'm just not ready to just pour that kind of money into Legos because I'm so new at it. So the last set I purchased in this haul is Lego Ninjago. I got the dragon, which is Woo's Battle Dragon. I simply purchased this because I thought it looked cool. I know Ninjago is popular. I myself used to watch the show with my daughter, and they're still going. And by the way, when I was looking at the Legos and I was in the Ninjago section, all the Ninjago sets look so cool. One thing that I noticed, so I did purchase a couple sets at the Lego store at downtown Disney here in California. And I tried to like sit back and kind of observe like what themes people are gravitating towards, and I found that a lot of people were essentially gravitating towards everything. There wasn't one particular theme where everyone crowded around. People were just spread out everywhere. But all I can say is that when I was at the Lego store browsing around, a lot of the people that walked out, when I walked out, all had bags of Legos. Like it didn't seem like not one person walked out of that store empty-handed. It seemed very purposeful. Like if you walk into the Lego store, it's very purposeful because you plan on buying something. So that's why I'm really kind of getting into Lego investing, because when I think about it, Lego has been around for a long time and there is something for everyone. And not only that, they continue to like reinvent and come up with like these new things that keep people interested. So that's why I kind of want to delve into Lego investing. I'm not sure if it will work out for me, but I definitely want to try it and I'm having so much fun doing it. So when I think about investing, I know that I'm going to have to hang on to the Lego sets, which at this point I'm practically a hoarder. I feel like I'll have no problem hanging on to these Lego sets because on my Poshmark, I have had things sitting for 3 years that still have not sold. So if I can hang on to those things, I absolutely can hang on to these Lego sets for a period of time. Not 3 years in particularly, but you know, months. I can hang on to it for a year, a little over a year. I feel like I can hang on to them. Now, when it comes to reselling, I'm already very familiar with reselling. I sell on 3 different platforms, which is Poshmark, Mercari, eBay. And when it comes to reselling, I have no problem with being able to list these. I understand the reselling process. So I think the biggest part for me is being more educated when it comes to Legos, when it comes to knowing when to buy something, at what price to buy something, knowing what's popular and in demand, that sort of thing. So I'm here to learn. I'm excited to get into Lego investing, and I'll keep you updated on how it goes. So if you'd like to support me and like to support this channel, please give me a like and a subscribe. Check out my links down in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.